Removing the rear lights on the Lexus IS200. Now you've removed the plastic covers, you've got two 10mm bolts you can remove. You can use a screwdriver as they do have a crosshead in the middle. Now there's only little rubber mounts holding the light in position, and underneath you've got like a plastic whip that tucks behind the bumper. There's no wiring harness you can remove, so you're only able to remove the bulbs. If you did want to remove the wiring harness, then you'll need to remove this piece of trim here, and down at the bottom you've got the connector. And then this rubber lug here can be pulled out from the other side. And you've got the harness for the rear light. To remove the fog lamp from the tailgate, you need to remove these 3 clips here. Then you've got the bulb and just a 10mm nut here.